Rain. There's something timeless about it. The gentle patter against rooftops, the cool breeze that moves through the air just before the first drop falls, and that distinct earthy scent, petrichor, rising from the soil. For many, rain feels peaceful, soothing, even nostalgic. But behind this familiar weather lies an incredible process, a story of transformation that begins long before a single drop touches the ground. So, how does rain actually form? It starts with the sun, quietly at work heating earth, oceans, rivers, and lakes. This warmth turns surface water into vapor, sending it upward into the sky. As the vapor rises, it cools, and at higher altitudes, it condenses into tiny droplets, clustering around microscopic particles like dust and salt. These countless drops form clouds, not as light and fluffy as they appear, but dense with moisture. And when those droplets grow too heavy to remain suspended in the air, gravity takes over. Rain begins to fall. But not all rain is the same. Some drops evaporate before they ever reach the ground, a phenomenon called vega. Others pass through warmer or colder air layers, changing shape or even freezing along the way. Rain is more than just water from the sky. It's a vital part of the hydrological cycle, replenishing groundwater, feeding rivers, nourishing ecosystems, and even regulating the planet's temperature. It cleans the air, it shapes landscapes, it sustains life. And yet, despite its familiarity, there are still mysteries. For instance, clouds can weigh millions of kilograms, so how do they float at all? That's the thing about rain. It's both beautifully simple and scientifically complex. So the next time you are caught in a downpour, maybe don't rush for cover. Pause, look up, because here's a question worth asking. How can something as ordinary as rain still feel so extraordinary? Catch you guys in the next one.